What is going on, everybody? Is Mr. D-Bag here again with a new YouTube video. Brand new game drop, grinding it just like me. We are going to start off this year a little bit different. We're going to do a no money spent episode. So this is probably going to be episode number 1, and then we'll go from there. Psych, not even close. We start off this year just like we start off every other year with a massive pack opening. We did about 300-ish bucks. So we have about 250 different packs for us to open, from regular standard packs, got some chase packs, then obviously the pre-order stuff, and a lot of the packs that drop day one with the big dog packs and everything like that. My audio did get a little messed up. We recorded this on stream, so this is a voiceover intro. You're going to see it on stream. It's still fire. You'll still see my reaction and stuff like that. Would love to know who you guys think I packed. We normally have amazing pack luck, right? Let me know who you think my biggest overall is going to be before this YouTube video starts, and let me know who you guys pulled day one, week one, weekend one, kind of type thing. I love packs. Packs are absolutely the way to go for me. Some people say it's a waste of money, but I absolutely adore it. So like I said, about 250 packs. Enjoy it. We're probably going to do more pack openings once I finish grinding Conquest, and then we're going to kind of get into regular gameplay videos for this year. Make sure while you're here, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on. We still are on road to 100 subscribers. Once we hit 100 subs, we'll be giving away a gift card. Enjoy the video, boys.
Okay, let's go.
Perfect.
So that is the video, guys. Absolute amazing pack opening. I told you guys my pack luck is pretty decent. Tatis back to back in what, less than 4 packs?